Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Stripe Checkout for instant payments, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Stripe website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard section. In the dashboard, look for the Payments tab on the left-hand side. Click on Payments to access payment processing options. Next, find and select Checkout from the options listed. You will be directed to the Checkout page, which provides details about Stripe Checkout. Look for the Get Started button and click on it to initiate the setup. You will be prompted to configure your checkout settings. Fill in the required information, including your business details and payment preferences. Next, set up your products or services by navigating to the Products section. Click on Add Product to create a new product or service. Enter the product name, description, and price, then save your changes. Return to the checkout settings to link your newly created product. In the checkout settings, you will find an option to set up the payment forms. Customize the payment form to match your brand identity. Once you are satisfied with the settings, look for the Save button and click it to confirm. Now, retrieve your API keys from the Developers section. Copy the publishable key and secret key from the API section. Integrate these keys into your website or application to enable Stripe Checkout. Follow the provided integration guidelines to ensure everything works smoothly. After integration, conduct a test transaction to ensure it's set up correctly. Once confirmed, you are ready to start accepting instant payments with Stripe Checkout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.